Please, I need food. I get horrible diarrhea when I eat scraps off the ground. God, I'm so hungry.
Scavenging for food is a dangerous game.
Huh? What are you giving this to me for? You're the one who brought it up. Let's go.
Huh? Well,
You took your time. What are you guys gonna do about the growls my stomach is making?
I'm sorry. It's my fault.
What is she doing here?
It's Coshley and Merlin or bust. Yaga said I might find out about Radiant there, and that's the only lead I've got.
Really not seen an S rank before?
Not until you. I've never even heard of such a thing.
I see.
Let's have a bite. Your tummy sounds hungry. Go on, eat your fill.
Thanks so much.